Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Gently grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Grab a pound loaf of day-old bread, French or challah works well, and cut it into 1-inch cubes. In a large bowl, combine these bread cubes with 4 cups of milk. Let this mixture soak for about 10 minutes until the bread is beautifully soft. While the bread is soaking up all that milk, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of bourbon, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in another bowl. Pour this flavorful concoction over the soaked bread, giving it a gentle stir to combine. If you're looking to add a little extra texture and flavor, fold in half a cup each of raisins and chopped pecans, then drizzle the whole affair with 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Pour this mixture into your prepared baking dish and bake it in your preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until the pudding is set and the top is a gorgeous golden hue. Now while your pudding is baking away, it's time to prepare the bourbon sauce. In a saucepan over low heat, melt half a cup of unsalted butter. Stir in a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of bourbon, and cook until the sugar is dissolved, stirring constantly. Slowly whisk in a beaten egg and cook for a few minutes more until the sauce thickens. Do be careful not to let the sauce boil or the egg will scramble. Once your bread pudding is golden and ready, allow it to cool slightly. Serve it warm, drizzled generously with your warm, homemade bourbon sauce. There you have it, a bourbon bread pudding that's a symphony of flavors. It's the epitome of Southern comfort, with the rich flavors of bourbon and spices making it a memorable treat for any occasion. So why not give this recipe a whirl in your own kitchen? And don't forget to share your results in the comments. We're sure you'll love it just as much as we do. And remember, for more great recipes like this, be sure to subscribe to Magnolia Moon. Happy cooking!